traveling spirit, I've seen many shores, from the West Pacific to the island of Cano. They treat me like a son anywhere I go, and even though no one can tell, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. On my own. I have learned that no one else can carry this load. It's a train where I'm the only passenger on board. Oh, there is beauty to enjoy on this road, but even so, I still feel that I'm alone. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. I'm alone, I'm alone, I'm alone. Leave me stranded, I know how to handle it all on my own. On my own.
So, when is whale season?
So there are two main migration periods, starting in end of November through the end of December. The gray whales that are up in Alaska and their feeding grounds are going to start heading to Baja, Mexico, to their mating grounds. And then beginning like mid-February, they start to come back up in about chunks. So they're all going down at the same time, but when they head back up to Alaska, they're a little bit more spread out. So we are just in the middle of peak general population northern migration right now.
Okay, so they're heading back up north.
Mm-hmm. If you make it back up here between May and June, they're going to be a lot closer, easier to sight. They're just going to be more spread out because that's when the mothers and the new calves come
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So the mothers and calves stick closer to...
Yeah, so the moms are going to want to stay closer to shore and put the shoreline between their calf themselves and then the open ocean because it helps protect them from predators. So this is baleen. So gray whales and most large whales outside of sperm whales don't have teeth like you and I.
Right.
They have what's called baleen, and it's because they eat like microorganisms like zooplankton and phytoplankton, and how they ingest them is they'll do a super deep dive into like the bottom of the ocean, suck up a bunch of mud and water, but in that mud are these microorganisms. So then they expel all of the mud and water just by pretty much spitting it out, and then the microorganisms are caught in the comb, and this is made out of the same material as like our fingernails, and then they'll just lick the inside of the baleen, and that's dinner.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid try to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense. No, nothing makes sense anymore. Maybe I could have seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation, where nothing makes sense anymore?